Welcome back to TechKid FX for another Gala game price update, and the current price for Gala game stands at the $0.09 mark, and on TradingView the market is up by 42%, and we are seeing a bit of a recovery to the upper side after seeing days of a downtrend in the market. And in this video I want to give you the key expectations, the key scenarios that I expect to play out on this chart. And before I do that, make sure that you subscribe to the channel also as a way of supporting this small channel. And from the all-time high, Gala games started seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, and the ABC correction has taken us to around the $0.05 mark, and we came down to my yellow target where I had most of my buy orders triggered, and went even below that. And at the moment we are having a bit of a recovery back into that yellow target, and I expect us to continue seeing higher prices and break above that yellow target and go to around the $0.23 mark, where we'll be facing resistance. And once we break above that and have a retest of that area, it's possible for us to continue seeing higher prices for Gala games and maybe go to around the $0.42 mark. But at the moment I don't want to be that bullish because of what has been happening in the market. We need a few confirmations for us to say we are back into an uptrend, and I believe Gala games has done whatever it needed to do in its ABC correction, so it might be time for us to have an impulsive wave up to the upper side, and that wave can take us to an all-time high. And before we go to an all-time high, I expect first to see a wave 1, and that wave 1, I want to give you the minimum targets that I expect that wave 1 to take us to using the Fibonacci. So that wave 1 can take us to around the $0.43 mark to around the $0.52 mark, and that is the minimum that I expect for that wave 1 to go to this blue target zone that I have up here, and that target is between the 0.5 and the 0.6 Fibonacci retracement levels. So that's the minimum that I expect us to go in that wave 1, and once we see that wave 1, we can then have a wave 2, a bit of a retracement to the lower side, then a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5 can take us to an all-time high. So that's what I expect to see on this chart. And also bear in mind that it's possible for us to, maybe once we break to around the $0.23 mark, we are unable to continue pushing market higher and get rejected in that area, and maybe have a pullback back into this yellow target, and maybe then have an impulsive wave to the upper side. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Also having a look on the indicators, the RSI is having a bit of a recovery to the upper side. It's at around the 36, so that means we have room for us to continue pushing the market higher. On the RSI we have that room. Also having a look on the MACD. On the MACD, at the moment we don't have increase in volume to the upper side, and we also don't have a bullish cross to the upper side. So let's be patient and see whether we are going to have that print out on the chart, and that would mean even higher prices for Gala games if we see that print, that bullish print to the upper side. So let's be patient, and I'll keep you updated on how the market plays out.